Hey Sam, question?
It's about the Wi-Fi. I already restarted it. It's just too slow.
No, it is about the brew thing on the fridge.
I thought it was your sourdough bread.
I don't know how to make sourdough, Sam. I barely know how to make toast.
Oh wow, it's fuzzy. It's not just glue. It's vibrant.
I think it is essential. I put it and I'm pretty sure it is.
Why you poke it? Now it has your DNA.
I needed to know if it was solid. Is it yours?
My last meal was a protein bar that I found in my backpack from 2025. That's definitely not mine.
It's been there since midterm, hasn't it?
Midterms, that thing looks much older than me.
So what we do now?
We do what any responsible adult in higher education does.
Wash it?
No, we close the door and go through like of the investor deals with when during inspection.
Solid plan. Library?
Library.